Get glowy skin in just 3 steps. First you will need raw milk and then honey. Mix the honey in the raw milk. Raw milk is a good facial and body cleanser. It exfoliates the skin and as well as hydrates it. Honey is best natural remedy as it has antibacterial and antiseptic ability. It keeps the skin moist and does not make it oily. Wash it with normal water. Step number 2. You will need a tomato and cut it in half and then rub it in your face. Tomato has anti-aging properties. It also helps to remove dead skin cells and reduce skin pigmentation. Step number 3. Take rice flour and mix some glycerin and rose water to it to make some thick consistency. Rice flour or rice act as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents. It helps to prevent skin aging. Glycerin helps to make your skin moisturizer and rose water gives natural glow to your skin. You need to do a scrub for 1 or 2 minutes with very mild hand. You can do this skincare once in a week. While scrubbing, you can take the rose water and scrub to your face so that it won't dry. After scrubbing, wash your face with normal water. I will advise you to do this step with very light hands and only for 2 minutes because I get some redness on my face because I did it for like 5 minutes and with very hard hands, so don't be harsh with your skin. Now apply a good moisturizer in gentle amount and massage it all over your face so that your face can relax a bit, and yeah, tada! Your glow is all set. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.